It's Aaron Wilder, Assistant Director of the Marion University Writing Center. Today, we will be following a quick video training on manipulating existing blackout periods. In this video, you will learn how to 1. Access existing blackout periods without shifting to blackout mode. 2. Altering existing blackout periods. And 3. The process for double-checking the accuracy of blackout periods that you have manipulated. These skills are integral to the creation, accuracy, and upkeep of the Marion University Writing Center schedule on WCOnline. So, let's get started.
When thinking about managing current blackout periods, you will not need to do what you would do to create a blackout period and switch to the blackout schedule. You can manage blackout periods that are already existing from the schedule menu. For instance, if I need to black out Eric's time from 2 until 4 p.m. because for some reason Eric is unable to make his shift, whether it be because he is sick or because he has another commitment that supersedes the writing center, all I have to do is I have 2 blackout periods that form the border of Eric's available time. I can merely click on one of them. Now, this is the part that gets slightly tricky. Now that I've clicked on this blackout period, I've opened up the menu. So now you have to remember which side of the available appointment you are on. A blackout period is a time when someone is not working. Therefore, we can see here the blackout period goes until 2 p.m. as we can see in this area right here. It goes until 2 p.m. What we need is to extend the right side of this blackout period, the one that we're focusing on, over until it touches this other blackout period and closes off that available work time. So that means we need to change this 2 p.m. to a 4 p.m. Now, we can also make permanent changes or long-term changes by clicking Update All Associated Future Dates or Update Past and Future Dates. Right now we're going to update all future dates to see what happens. So now that we look at the schedule, we can see that because Eric does not anymore have time available on this particular scheduling window, he no longer shows up here. So if we want to bring him back, we have to take some lessons from the previous video and click on the schedule icon here and change it to blackout so that we can bring him back into the schedule by again clicking this blackout period and modifying it to 2 p.m. and all future dates. As always, when modifying blackout periods, we are then going to check to make sure that everything is correct in our initial window, which it is, from 2 to 4 p.m. is the correct scheduling time. Then we are going to click the next week and ensure that everything is correct, which it is, 2 to 4 p.m. And then we're going to click a few weeks in the future to make sure that when we get to, that's a little too far, we want April, to make sure that out through the rest of the semester we have 2 until 4 p.m. availability.
Thank you for completing this Marion University Writing Center training video, manipulating existing blackout periods. Now that you've completed this training video, you should be comfortable with 1. Accessing existing blackout periods without shifting to blackout mode. 2. Altering existing blackout periods. And 3. The process for double-checking the accuracy of blackout periods. These skills are integral to the creation, accuracy, and upkeep of the Marion University Writing Center schedule on WCOnline. Thank you, and you may now move on to the next unit, video, or module.